Okay, to those already watching, I want to welcome you to my live Fursuit unboxing of Cyan. Thank you for tuning in. I'm really pleased that you decided to tune in while I unbox this. It brings me a lot of joy to have a Fursuit finally. After having this character for close to 7 years, when I first came up with this character, I didn't even think I didn't even think I would have this character for too long, honestly. I mean, Lily Tincture, congrats. Hope it's everything you hope for and more. Oh, I bet it is everything I've hoped for and more. Ever since I came up with this character, Cyan Glaciertooth, back in 2011, I didn't think I was going to have him for too long, because I'm usually not the kind of person who would have long-term commitments to for having a persona or any kind of alter ego, for example. But I gave it a shot at developing this persona. It took like a few months to put this persona all together, and I became overall really satisfied with it and decided to keep it. But it would be years before I could commission someone to do a fursuit, because of course fursuits of this kind of quality can be pretty expensive. So hold on a second, I better take this off. I'm already starting. Okay. Yeah, it would take a while to save up for a fursuit like this kind of quality. In the end, it's still a partial. It's not a full body fursuit, but still, it was a lot of money. I bet I'm going to be really satisfied with it. I commissioned MoreFurLess. They're known for having magnetic eyebrows and eyelids, which I've also asked for. And I've also wanted him toony looking, and MoreFurLess offers toony aesthetics towards characters. I have a Fursuit named Konu. I had him made into a suit, and I love him dearly. I'm so happy that we now have another suitor. Konu is a partial. Oh, that's really cool. I might like to see pictures of that. I bet it looks really cute. So anyway, one of the reasons I chose MoreFurLess, I wanted toony, and they offered toony style fursuits. And number two, they were one of the most affordable. And as a little bonus, I thought I could go for the magnetic eyebrows and eyelids. Yeah. I will definitely show pictures. Oh, nice. Can't wait to see them. Okay. Now, summer of 2016, I had the opportunity to commission MoreFurLess because I pretty much had the money saved up for it. And after 6 months of paying this fursuit partial off, it was $2,100 total. After making the final payment off in November 2016, I waited a year for MoreFurLess to make this, because I was so because I was so low on the waiting list that I had to wait like a year before I could at least see pictures of these progress photos. And based on what I've seen from these photos so far, I'm really excited. I'm really satisfied. I knew that MoreFurLess was going to. I knew Keisho and Sways was going to deliver with this. And it wasn't until last Tuesday that this package finally arrived at this house. And I remember how excited I was when that mail carrier came up in front of my house with the package. I remember walking right out and picking up the package, running into the house up here immediately, placing this package here, getting the picture, posting of this package on social media, sharing the world. Yes, you bips. I hope I pronounced that wrong. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce it wrong. That's very reasonable. Oh yeah. I was so excited to have this. I ran upstairs, brought the package here, took pictures of it, and honestly, I was tempted to do an unboxing immediately after I got this package, but I decided to save it for tonight. I mean, you can understand how excited I was getting this thing, and I'm really curious as to not just what pictures I've seen so far. So far, I've just seen the head, which came out really nice based on the photos I've seen. I mean, like I said, they also made hand claws, feet claws, and a tail, and also accessories that my character Cyan wears: a wool hat, a scarf, snow boots, and gloves. I'm curious to see what those look like. Okay. And so now for tonight, on a special MoreFurLess Monday, I am going to do this unboxing. I was going to do it last Friday, maybe some other Friday for Fursuit Friday, but I really want to give MoreFurLess the credit that they are due for making this. And I really want to thank both Keisho and Sways for giving people like me the opportunity to commission them to make this fursuit possible, and for an outstanding job that they've done with this fursuit. I'm pretty sure they've done an outstanding job. Just have to wait and see. So, without further ado, we now begin the unboxing. Here we go. Hope I'm not cutting into the fursuit in this box. Oh boy. And one essential reason why I wanted a fursuit. I don't want to do this all for myself. I want a fursuit so I could wear this at fundraisers, at children's hospitals. I really want to make people's lives better. I want to make them happier. And if this is one way of doing it, then it's certainly rewarding. It's certainly a rewarding way of making people's lives better. Ooh! Oh my goodness. Oh, they sent a backpack. I wonder what's inside. There's the fursuit head. Wonder what's inside. Woo, says Lily. Woo is right. Oh, Oh, the scarf for Cyan. Neato. Are these the gloves? They are. Alright, what else? Oh, a t-shirt. A little bonus for MoreFurLess. Neato. and a neckerchief. Also with the MoreFurLess logo. Another little bonus. And are these the eyelids? Gotta be. Eleanor, they have to be. Okay, gloves, scarf, eyelids. Put them here for now. That's so awesome of them. Oh, indeed it is. Really. That's why I would recommend commissioning them. Bring out the head. And this great thing here, is this the hat? It is. Oh, neat way of putting it on. By the way, here's Cyan. Fursuit head form. This is exactly as the pictures show it is, with the addition of this hat. That, hold on a sec. I can take off. The idea to keep the hat on, huh? Great thinking, Keisha and Sways. And eyebrows. Magnetic eyebrows. Make him happy or angry. Ah! All right, I better try this on. Any more comments? What a cutie. Science is such a cutie. Berta says, you're one lucky man. I don't know about lucky. I'm lucky if I got in this sooner. All the time I had to save up. I'm going to put this on now. See how this fits. Oh, wow. This is great. I'm going to close off the camera here for a sec. Oh, yeah. That looks awesome. And the vision is not as bad as I even thought. You know, everything looks so bright. I don't know if it's because of I'm in this bright room or whatever, but yeah, the vision is great for like a fursuit. The vision is really excellent. Angry look. Happy look. I had too much fun here. I'm gonna be like Chewbacca mom when she got her Chewbacca mask. You know, so overjoyed, laughing hysterically, all because of a mask. Okay, continuing on. Moving on. You'll put the hat back on. Whew. Ah. Hey there, Catlex. Those detachable eyebrows are a brilliant idea. Thanks, Samantha. How easy it is to see. Actually, it's a lot easier than I thought, huh? Much easier. I mean, of course, the field of vision is still limited, but, actually everything appears brighter than I imagined. And Cat Lennox, it's so cute. It'll look perfect for you. Yeah, it does look cute. Thanks, Cat. Can't wait for Anthony New England a month from now to share all this. All right. This is a tail. Neat way to put this on. I'm gonna look like one of those gym guys. Oh, it's sad. Is this how you do it? Ah. I don't knock anything over behind me. Woo. Okay. Hand paws. Yeah, the second hand paw might be tricky. We have the first one on already. Alright. It was nice. Okay, I'm going to have to take these off for a little bit. We could. And the paws. And lastly, the snow boots. Wonderful. Oh, these are Velcro. Bundles are Velcro. Again, MoreFurLess, brilliant. You guys are amazing. Lily says it looks perfect. Oh yeah, definitely. Well, let's face these boots. I mean, are feet pods supposed to go in first? If they do go in at all, can they even fit? There's like a sneaker in here. Can they fit? That's okay. That's okay if they can't. I mean, I'm still really satisfied, really pleased with what MoreFurLess has come up with here. Okay, this must be the left one. Because there's a Velcro sneaker in here, too. I can, it's, you can, like, peel it off from the left. That makes this the right one. Whew. One. And that's it for whatever's inside. These in. Oh. Oh man. All right. Ah. Paws, head, tail. Paws can go up there for now. Oh my goodness. Now to now cover the flesh of my hands and arms. You won't see a human being on there. Well, you won't. I'm not a human, I just act human. They're falling everywhere. All right. Clean this up a little bit so the tail strap can hide underneath the jacket. Here. Put it back on. Okay. Ta-da! What do you guys think? Does this look so cute and awesome? Oh my goodness. Oh. Hey, I'm going to do comments on it. Oh boy. Any comments? I personally think this looks excellent. I am so happy. I'm so happy. Finally. Well. Unless anyone else has any more comments, that I think this might conclude our Fursuit unboxing video. But yeah, this is quite the milestone in my life. You know, I am very, very pleased with this. And, you know, I'm not going to keep all the joy to myself. I'm going to spread it. I am going to, you know, do more than just visit fur cons and fur meets with this on. I'm also planning on visiting children's hospitals. I want to visit fundraisers with this on. I just really want to bring joy to other people, make people's lives better. And if I do so fursuiting, then you know how rewarding fursuiting can be here. I want to thank you all for tuning in, seeing this happen, and thanks for the really kind comments that you all made during this live video stream. I want to really thank MoreFurLess for giving me the opportunity to commission them to make this Cyan Fursuit possible, and they did a great job on it. You know, I couldn't have asked for anything more at this moment. This is incredible. I'm so happy with this now. And I'm also starting to sweat right now. But yeah, this really means a lot to me. And, you know, I'm going to start spreading the joy. This is definitely a beginning of something very positive, very optimistic, not just for me, but for several other people. And it really makes me feel very humbling to do something like this. So I think I am going to end this video right here. Again, thanks for tuning in. If you're going to Anson, New England, or any other Fermi I'll be at, I'll see you there. Again, thanks. Really look forward to it. Right now, I'm going to do some Fursuit photos up here. It won't be posted until Friday for Fursuit Friday, of course. But yeah, I'll see you all then. Thank you. Have a lovely evening or morning, wherever the world you may be in. And I'll see you around.